Yep.
Hi.
I am the head of OEM. So what my responsibilities are for Homart is I look after all of the contract manufacturing globally. So any of our contractors or sponsors or manufacturers that decide to get the tablets made here, it's all in my team. So beautiful BioGreen work under my team to get their work done. I'm a qualified naturopath. I've been in the industry.
Naturopath?
Yeah. So I've been in the industry now for 30 years. I know, I look young, don't I?
Yeah. Sure.
He was aging.
Yes,
Of course.
I take lots of NAD.
Ah.
No. Yes, I do. So I've worked as a naturopath in private practice, but I also joined the industry through a company named Blackmores, which is an Australian supplement company, and I was the head of new product development there for a little while. Since then, I've worked in lots of different places in research, as well as formulations, marketing. I've done it all, mostly here in the Australian marketplace. What we have for you today is two videos. One talks a little bit about the history of Homart, and it'll also talk about the relationship with the Foundation. But and then the second video gives you a bit of a look at the Homart's culture. And we had a 30th anniversary party, and it just gives you a little bit of an idea of that, and have a look at our founders and what they do. Then finally, I will give a little presentation about the NAD Plus Boost product. We'll talk technically, so I'll give you a little bit of an idea about what it does, how it does it, and some interesting facts about it. And then we have plenty of time for questions.
Great.
How's that sound?
Yeah, wonderful.
Let me start the first video.
In 1885, Dr. William Upjohn developed friable pills that could be easily digested, thereby making therapeutic medicine much more accessible and effective. This revolutionary formulation is one of the most important inventions in the history of pharmaceuticals. Located in the north of Sydney and adjacent to a beautiful park, Homart Pharmaceuticals is established upon the original site of the 100-years-old Upjohn Company. The Upjohn House, a heritage building constructed in 1885, still stands graciously next to the company today. The story of Homart started from 1992. It has not only inherited this Victorian garden-style factory from Upjohn, but has carried on his 100-year-long belief of enhancing therapeutic efficacy and extracting the best of different ingredients. It is this spirit of marrying health and nature with innovation and profession that has become a part of the company's DNA and made Homart what it is today. Facing the health challenges of today, Homart continues to introduce high-end manufacturing technologies and devising unique formulas. It even cooperates with Australian health authorities and university academics for pharmaceutical research and clinical development. From the initial selection of raw materials and the formation of final products, strict screening, precision control, and high efficiency are fundamental manufacturing principles Homart firmly adheres to. As a leading company in the Australian health industry, Homart continues to provide health-related products and services for all ages. At present, there are 9 automatic packaging lines and 10 high-tech production lines, covering 3 major segments of health, skincare, and dairy products, and capable of adjusting its production scale to meet varying demands. These products are sold all over the world under 9 Homart brands: Springleaf, Top Line, Seiring, Grand Pawpaw, Portally, VitaVest, Golden Hive Products, Health and Nature, and Skin Code. Homart has been complying with strict Australian manufacturing regulations and has been certified by TGA as a CGMP manufacturer with multinational production qualifications like Europex, USFDA, halal accreditations, Australian organic certification, and an accredited Australian dairy product manufacturer by China. It has won 16 local and international awards for its high-quality products and persistent workmanship. In view of the boom of the worldwide health industry, as an experienced and fast-growing enterprise with a global vision, Homart will unceasingly devote to the research and development of innovative products and expand with the industry's cutting-edge technologies and facilities. It is aiming to integrate natural Australian ingredients and production resources with international distribution channels in order to formulate and support the industrial change that can cater for global healthcare markets and services. Bringing health to every home is what we've always believed in, and we aim to inspire people around the world to live healthier. This indeed gives our work meaning, and is our mission that never changes. We are Homart.
So that's just a little bit about ourselves.
Acara Homart 30 tahun. Jadi perusahaan ini sudah 30 tahun.